Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can build a successful P2P business and how exactly you're going to make a lot of money with P2P business. If you've been a subscriber to this channel, then you already know what I do every day. I do this for a living, and you are looking at my account right here. This is my account on No One's, and this is the platform that I've been trading P2P on. So in this video, I'm going to break it down to you and show you step by step how exactly you can grow your account and have a lot of positive feedbacks, meaning that people would be willing to trade with you every day. And this is how exactly you're going to be making money as well. So I'm a day trader. I do this every day, and you're looking at my No One's account right now, and I'm going to break it down to you guys and show you my previous trades and how much money I make, doing this every day. So if you don't know what P2P is all about, well, this is a peer-to-peer trading whereby you buy and sell cryptocurrencies from one person to another directly without any middleman. So No One's is there to make sure that both parties have done a fair trade. You know what I mean? So right now, I'm going to show you how exactly step by step on how you can build your account and get a lot of clients and make a lot of money with P2P trading. I've done more than 2,000 trades on this one, and I make money every day simply by trading P2P. So make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm to this channel so that you won't miss out anything when it comes to trading and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. The first thing first you need to do is to create an account on No One's. So this is a platform that helps us to connect to other clients when it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You know what I mean? So once you create an account, the link is also going to be in the description below as well. You're going to need to find your account. So this is my account already. Your account is going to look like this. It's going to be brand new. So, once you create an account, you're going to have to fund it, and it's easy to do that, right? All you have to do is to go to where it's written wallet, and it's going to provide you with different wallets. So you're going to have Bitcoin wallet, USDC wallet, and Ethereum wallet. You know what I mean? So right here, you're going to find your account depending on a cryptocurrency that you're holding. If you want to find your account with Tether, you're going to go ahead and click receive, just like that, and they're going to provide you with Tron TRC20 network and BSC BP20 network. So these two networks right here are very, very cheap, and I recommend each and everyone to use either ERC20 or BP20 Binance Smart Chain network. Do not use Ethereum. It's kind of expensive, right? And it's going to charge you a lot when it comes to transaction fees. But that's going to be your first step for you to start your journey to build a successful P2P business on No One. So once you do that, you're going to go ahead and edit your profile. So make sure that you put your profile picture, make sure that you get your account verified so that a lot of people gonna trust you, and make sure that you find a good name, like market makers, names like that, like these are business names. We're talking about how exactly you can start a successful business on No One's marketplace. You know what I mean? So once you find your account, you're gonna go to where it's written marketplace and click right there. And on marketplace, it's going to show you all the vendors that are willing to sell their cryptocurrencies, and other vendors that are willing to buy cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. So when it comes to marketplace, we already know that with P2P, we have a lot of payment methods. So you're just going to have to choose which payment method is suitable for you, and what kind of payment method that you can dominate. But in this video, I can give you some of good payment methods, and these payment methods work because I've been using these payment methods. So the first one is bank transfer. Bank transfer is easy, but with bank transfer, you're gonna have to make sure that you get a business account. So with business account, is gonna allow you to receive multiple transactions without limitations and stuff like that. And all you have to do is to buy some crypto, let's say on Vala or Luno Crypto Exchange, and you deposit on No One's. Once you deposit on No One's, you're going to have to sell those cryptocurrencies at higher price. So we're talking about like 50% per offer, or at least 20% per offer. And that's how exactly you're going to be making profits from each and every offer. So this is actually a booming business, and you can make a lot of money by simply doing this stuff compared to all other businesses that you might know out there in the real world. You know what I mean? But then you're gonna have to decide which payment method is suitable for you. You can also check out PayPal, because I realized that a lot of people are not really buying PayPal right now. So let's say you're gonna be accepting PayPal for crypto. You know what I mean? So basically, you're gonna be overcharging them. They're gonna be sending you PayPal, and then you risk crypto. But make sure that you have to tell them to send their paper using friends and family only, so that if anything goes wrong or if they want to complain about anything, you know, paper is gonna say that they sent you money using friends and family, and they cannot be protected. You just have to make sure that you're not getting scammed and stuff like that. And these are, you know, important tips that you have to go through. But once you choose your suitable payment method, you're gonna go ahead and create an offer, or you can just go through all these payment methods and see which one is getting a lot of clients. So right now you can see that this guy has been selling using Airtel Money, and this one is selling using Cardless Cash, and all these guys are selling using Cardless Cash, and FNB e-wallet is also popping up and stuff like that. And also payment method works according to your country, you know what I mean? If a lot of people are willing to sell, let's say Skrill or Venom in your country and stuff like that, you can start accepting those kind of payment methods and take advantage of this P2P game, and you're also gonna be making a lot of money with that. But once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and create an offer. So let's say you have got some USDT, you're gonna have to convert that USDT to Bitcoin in your wallet so that, you know, you can create an offer. So you're gonna go ahead and click where it's written marketplace and click create an offer, and this is where the magic starts, you know what I mean? And this is where you guys gonna be making profit. And guys, if you really want to take this trading game to another level, I recommend that you check out heavycryptouniversity.online, and this is a place where you can learn pretty much anything about crypto, and all you have to do is to get this course, and it's only gonna cost you $35. And once you get the course, you know, it's gonna take you pretty much through anything about P2P trading and how exactly I grow my accounts trading crypto and all that stuff. So, you know, I'm a day trader, I do this for a living, and you know, on this channel I share pretty much anything that I do to make money with crypto and stuff like that. So let's go ahead. Right here is gonna ask you which currency do you want to trade. Let's say if you want to trade Bitcoin, you're gonna go ahead and choose Bitcoin and click. And right here you're gonna have to choose payment methods. So let's say if you want to sell your Bitcoin for bank transfer, so meaning that people are gonna be making payments to your bank account, and you're gonna be releasing crypto to their wallet. And if you choose buy crypto, it means that you're gonna have to make payments to their bank account, and they're gonna release crypto to you, just like vice versa, right? So with these both options, you can make money out of them, you know what I mean? Depending on what kind of payment method do you want to do. Do you want to sell or do you want to buy? But a popular one is selling cryptocurrency for fiat currency. So right here, you're going to go ahead and choose your bank account, you know what I mean? And just going to go ahead and choose bank transfer and accept the terms and condition. So right here, you're going to put your country. So I'm in South Africa right now. I'm going to type South Africa like this. Here we go. And right here, we choose bank transfer, you know what I mean? So this is how exactly you can create an offer, guys. It's simple like this, and accept the terms and conditions and stuff like that. And right here you're gonna have to link your bank transfer. So I've already linked up my bank transfers and stuff like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and click first one right here, like, and link it just like that. And right here you're gonna have to name the bank's account. So this is a trick, guys. You have to make sure that you name all the big bank accounts that are available in your country. So right here in South Africa, we've got FNB. We can name it right there, and we have got ABSA, we have got Capitec, and we have got Nedbank, you know what I mean? So if your clients come, they're gonna view your profile and they're more likely to start a trade with you. You're just gonna go ahead and click next. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how much I make with P2P trading and stuff like that. I'm gonna go through all my, you know, previous trades and everything. So you're just gonna go ahead and put the margin. So let's say if you want to make at least 17% from each and every offer, you're gonna have to type right here 17%. Like this, right? Meaning that you're gonna be making 70% from each and every offer and stuff like that. And right here, you're gonna have to put it at market price. So if the price of Bitcoin drops and stuff like that, it's not gonna affect pretty much anything. So this is a trade limit, and this is your minimum. You have to put your minimum amount that you are willing to accept. So let's say you want to accept 1,000, and maximum should be at least 5,000. You know what I mean? And this is a time that a person is going to have to make a payment before these trades expire. You know what I mean? So they're going to have to make payment within 30 minutes. And once they do that, you're just going to go ahead and click the next step. It's simple like that, and create an offer. And right here, you're going to have to put the tags. So we're going to need the proof of payment. We don't need any third parties, and it's going to be a guided trade. And If you want your clients to be verified and stuff like that, you can click right here. But since you want to accept a lot of people and stuff like that, we're just gonna leave it empty like that and click create an offer. And you can copy this link and send it to someone if you already have like clients and stuff like that. So let me show you an example of a trade that I did and how much money I made from that trade, because you're gonna be getting these offers and stuff like that. People are gonna be clicking your offers and start trade with you, and this is how much money you're gonna be making each and every time. So you're gonna be making at least like 15 trades a day, and you're gonna be getting at least like 70% pay each and every trade, you know what I mean? And that's how exactly you're gonna grow your P2P business and all that good stuff. So right here it says you are selling this amount of Bitcoin, which is 3,479 Rand for 4,000 Rand, you know what I mean? So they transferred 4,000 Rand to my bank account, and I had to release at least 4,479 Rand worth of Bitcoin. And by simply doing that, I made 500 Rand. So you're gonna be getting this kind of offers every day, at least like 15 of these offers, and you're gonna be killing it every day and make passive income simply by trading P2P. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, guys, make sure you stick around to this channel, Heavy Crypto, and I'm gonna be posting a lot of P2P videos on this channel to make sure that you guys are also killing it and are making money out of this P2P business. So visit my name is Arthur. All the links gonna be in the description below as well. If you want to contact me or ask me anything when it comes to P2P trading or when it comes to trading in general, make sure you DM me and stuff like that, and I'm willing to help you throughout your trading career. So this is my name is Arthur. The links to all these platforms and everything gonna be in the description below. So therefore, I'll see you in the video. Love and peace, my friends. Cheers.